Hello and welcome to this awareness session related to induction motor root cause failure analysis and corrective action system. In today's example, we will consider a vibration spectrum that is showing a magnetic field at 2-time line frequency, indicating that there is a problem in the stator. But before jumping to the conclusion that we have to stop the motor and take it to the workshop and check its stator, we have to check first if we have any mechanical problem that is causing magnetic field pulsation. For us to work in a systematic way, we have to get the list of root cause of failures of an induction motor to make sure that we are not missing any of them. The aim is to take the right corrective action system from the first time, otherwise we will be wasting time and money. This is the root cause of failures list related to induction motor, showing the stator problems and some mechanical problems that can lead to magnetic field pulsation. The first stator problem can be caused by its eccentricity. Uneven air gap caused by stator eccentricity leads to a pulsating magnetic field. Shorted stator lamination can also affect the magnetic field pulsation. Loose stator winding is another cause of magnetic field pulsation, and this can also burn the winding. Until now, we were talking about stator problems, but what are other mechanical problems that can lead to uneven air gap? The first problem to search for is misalignment between motor shaft and driven equipment shaft. The second problem is called cocked bearing, which is another type of misalignment, creating uneven air gap between rotor and stator. The third problem is soft foot. Finally, a warped base can lead to rocking motion of the electric motor, causing the magnetic field to pulsate. These four mechanical problems can be diagnosed during operation using vibration analysis, avoiding production stoppage. Coaching can help you to find the right cause of the failure and the right corrective action system from the first time, so you can save a lot of time and money through applying best practices. In case you need coaching for your team, you can send us an email and we will be glad to respond.